Bang!
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, where are we going? We're gonna go camping at Lolo Popsy's house. Yay! Peak weather! Woo! Okay.
Pang area na pwede ka talaga wala akong nakita, papalikod.
So luxurious. Going to jail. Good job, Mama. Whoa, he's good.
Wee!
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome. What do you mean?
Hindi na ako magre-record bukas.